Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to delete layers in Canva. If you want to delete a layer in your Canva project, then you can remove elements or objects such as text, images, or shapes from your design. So here's how you do it. Launch open your Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also visit canva.com on a web browser and sign in. Now open up a design that contains the layer you want to delete. In order to find that, go to Projects tab at the bottom, and then from the Recent Designs list, select one of the designs you want to delete the layers from. After opening up a design, select the layer, which can be image, text, elements, etc. After choosing the element, you will be able to see a little pop-up appearing above the chosen layer where you need to tap on the trash icon. Doing this will remove the layer that you've selected. Repeat the process for any other layers you would like to delete. And that's how you do it. If you accidentally delete something, you can always undo it by tapping on the little loop icon at the top left, and this will undo your change. That is how you easily delete a layer from one of your designs on Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.